In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your mouse into a laser pointer in PowerPoint. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially if you're presenting slides and want to draw attention to a specific word, chart, image, or section on the screen without editing the slide itself. Instead of trying to describe where your audience should look, you can guide them visually in real time. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and get ready to view it in presentation mode. You can do this by clicking either Reading View or Slideshow. In this demonstration, we'll use Reading View. That's a great option if you want to preview or present your slides in a more compact window while still using presentation style tools. Once you've entered Reading View, move to the slide where you want to present. At this point, your presentation is active and you're ready to use the laser pointer effect with your mouse. Now for the key action. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and then start moving your mouse cursor. As you move the mouse while holding Control, PowerPoint will turn your cursor into a laser pointer effect on the screen. This makes it much easier to highlight exactly what you're talking about while keeping your audience focused. A helpful tip here is to keep your mouse movement smooth and deliberate. Slow, steady motion makes the pointer easier for viewers to follow, especially during a live presentation or screen share. If you move too quickly, it can be harder for people to keep track of what you're pointing at. This feature is particularly useful when you're walking through detailed slides, such as data tables, diagrams, timelines, or screenshots. It helps you maintain the flow of your presentation without needing to switch tools or interrupt your explanation. If the laser pointer doesn't seem to appear right away, make sure you are actually inside Reading View or Slideshow mode, because the effect won't work the same way in normal editing view. Also, be sure that you are holding the Control key the entire time you want to use the pointer, and that's all it takes. Open your presentation in Reading View or Slideshow, hold the Control key, and move your mouse to activate the laser pointer. It's a quick trick, but it can make your PowerPoint presentations look more polished, more interactive, and much easier for your audience to follow.